at your face, what have you done? You look so happy, pass me the gun. Who did you change for? You're sprung, you're sprung, you're sprung. Can you picture yourself with me? I changed my hair so that we could be. I didn't wanna live until my image anymore. I couldn't stand being the emotional. Did you always think I could be easy? You didn't hit once, but yet you screwed me. We're all getting fucked in this life. You better pray it's the best fuck of your life. So tell me, you wanna run away? Don't let the door smack you in your face. It's nothing. You've been all on my case. You can't be replaced. It's nothing to me. You wanna run away? Don't let the door smack you in your face. You've been all on my case. You can't be replaced. You can't be replaced. Look at your face, what have you done? You look so happy, pass me the gun. Who did you change for? You're sprung, you're sprung, you're sprung. I know my worth, I know my worth. I'm something special, not a curse. A little too crazy, somewhat lazy. Don't try to hide me, I'm inspired. I'm so inspired. I could be your best friend. I could be your best friend. Oh yeah, it's nightmare. Oh yeah, it's nightmare. So tell me.
That page. Wow. It's just in here 3 different times.
I'm filming on the digital camera because I'm running out of storage on the iPhone, which is funny because it says I only have a few hours left on here. But I'm at the park. I was trying to play Sims, but Sims is not wanting to act the fuck right. So I'm trying to figure out why it's not working. Oh God. I'm literally just a girl. Yo, this stuff is from Dollar Tree. This is actually reminds me of, you know what I'm trying to say, but this shit basically is a dupe. It smells delicious too. So I've been using iMovie to edit my videos, and I've been looking into Final Cut Pro. But then I saw the freaking price. Hold on, let me zoom in. And I think I already used a 90-day free trial. But then down here it says for students, you can get it for $1.99. Okay. Yep, that's all.
Oh my god. I don't have the biggest picture. They're fire. I used to eat over here all the time when I was dating someone that lived over here. I was like, oh, this is great. I'm
Did you guys need a few minutes to order?
I think I'm cool.
Like a few minutes.
How you doing? Every single thing. Everything you ever told me. I was like, baby, yeah.
I ate my food. I am losing it. Oh my god. Oh, they got a lot of stuff. Ah, kaki goodie.
Oh, the Naruto cake. Okay. That'll probably be the first set of pops I collect. Those
It ain't no love lost, it's just a love game. And that's just the way you watch, and that's just the way you play. I just tried to figure you out from twisted roses. My heart is in a trance, tired of chasing the frozen. I like the way you flip the situation. Said you was working on you and your moon phases. Tried to hold a lie over my head, and then you had the next bitch in your bed. No, I ain't sorry. You sounding so demanding. I didn't know we were playing your game, okay then. You wanna bake a cake and eat it too. Keep fucking with them.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the anxiety medication around 7:40. Okay. Ouch. Hi, besties. Hi, friends. I should not be having this coffee, but I have been craving it. Okay, so yesterday, last night, I went in for a freaking MRI, and baby, they cannot explain enough, or maybe they need to explain more, but that shit was by far the most terrifying shit I've ever done in my life. Like, being in that little small tight space was like so much, and no matter how many times I closed my eyes, it did not help. But what did help is that I did have an episode. I disassociated, and it went by faster than what I thought. I was in there for a fucking hour. I was in there for an hour, but I thought I was in there for, all I remember was like 15 minutes. So yeah, but I told to find out if the endometriosis has like spread everywhere, which technically it has because I have stage 4. So yeah, surgery is still happening in a few months, but I'm gonna have to talk to the surgeon and see if we can push her back a month maybe, because I got shit to do, things to be done, and I need to prepare because the last surgery was not, I was not prepared. Like I needed a lot of stuff, and yeah, it was hard. But I'm definitely gonna be taking you guys along this journey with me, and yeah. I hope I talked about everything. I think that was it. I think that's it. Okay, I'll see you in a minute.
Learn at the hard way. I guess it's just like caught up in all the drama, all of your persona, altered, faltered. It ain't no love lost. I'm doing just fine. Don't you know who's here? All in his due time. I had to do me. I had to get mine. Learn it the hard way.
I never hit record. I look crazy. I'm cooking smoked salmon, shrimp, and asparagus.
Storage until September 22nd. Whether you're relocating to your new home or
I smelled some really good flowers, so I was like, I want some flowers. You got some good variety. To be quite honest, I really love sunflowers, but and I'm not gonna get both of them, okay? But I'm going to try to sit here and figure out which one I need the most. So this one is kind of what I be like. So I think we're gonna go with this one.
We always have some like super cute things.
I think Cozy World had an update. It's taking forever to load. Yay. Oh, I was listening to you. I literally thought you was getting ready to say something else. I was just waiting. Oh, okay. Well, I'm excited for you.
did I get myself into? Mixed emotion, crazy games I should be used to. Put your hands around my neck, you love to see me squirm. I guess everything we did is a lesson learned. Slit my wrist with your canine teeth. I know you would like to see me bleed. Do you wanna watch my suicide? Because I don't have time to cry.
So we finally finished retwisting the hair. Yes, it took fucking forever, but it's done. It's almost dry, but it's not. I think I'm gonna go sit outside, but it's kind of chilly outside, so that might not work. I need a blow dryer, but it's all done.
We're going after. Yeah, I got some options. Unless you want to go grab one now. I will get you some back.
Okay, so I am at the park. This camera is so close. Anyway, I'm at the park. I'm editing my weekly vlog, and my fiance is out here playing Pokemon Go, and it's so cute. My phone does not let me play sometimes, so I just hang out. But it's cold. Like, it was hot a few days ago, and like now it's cold. I didn't want to mess up my vlog, so I put this hat on. Okay, I'm about to finish editing this vlog. I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, I'm back in the car. That was my phone. I think Wolf is done rating. I just think they have, maybe one more game to go. I think I've been by a mosquito bite. That's his lady car. It's making this noise. It scared me. Wolf is done rating.
Yeah. Caught all my dogs. All my dogs. All my dogs. All my dogs. Caught all my dogs. They beat my ass first. Actually,